One wrong step. Mines and gems and a bear. Oh my. Navigate the forest and watch your step. Arguments and basic syntax.
For the win!
We got our boots. We got our little situation. Let's go. Okay, so we have to gather all the gems and then get to the exit. Bet. Looks like they put these move situations in here. We just have to make sure that the coordinates are correct. Okay, move out the way. I'm right here. What is this? We don't want to go over there. We're going to blow up. Okay. This is 11:36. This is 35:25. We have 40:56. And 77:58. They're trying to blow me up. Look at this. Have me going 26:43. That's crazy. Let's run it. Go, 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 go. Hey. I could have been bad and like blew up the hero, but I didn't want to do that. We're not gonna blow him up today. Nice.